Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back to old school coffee. Got this bag. I got rid of my Nespresso machine and it is time to test it. I've got this is my grinder and this is my coffee machine with all the good stuff. So this one goes on top like so. Gonna start by grinding the coffee. It smells so good. Right, so this comes off. We're gonna fill just the bottom of it, which is got the number 4, which is, I'm guessing, makes 4 shots. Just a bit over. Okay, so we set it on medium. It's on 4. And we press the button. And that's stopped, so it's automatic. Got the coffee here, it's a bit medium. Now we're gonna put it inside the coffee machine. Okay, it still has a bit in there, so I'll just get it off. Okay, that's done. So just gonna put it, gonna squash it here with this one. And put it on the coffee machine. We'll turn this on to heat. Right, let's see if I can steam the milk. Put it on steamer. I think I have to wait for it to go green again. Awesome. Okay, it seems to be ready. Now I'll put the coffee. That's about it. Just have to add the milk. That's done. Good stuff.